7 now is our score. Some pressure here for Tikas Kapampangan. Subrabas escapes Manalang.
Wow, that's speed against speed. That's a nice ball screen by Mayo.
Subrabas sees an open lane, but there is a foul. Bragais now draws a double. Santos, right corner. Isidro, the left-handed layup. But he goes back up quickly. Look at that left-handed layup by
Pwede rin pala may injure sa bench, no? And wow!
Pass! Santos fakes! Santos short stop for two! Far. Natividad with the ball against Jake Munoz. 9 to shoot. Natividad with a jumper.
Wow.
Off to Lancer Can. Shot clock at 12. Lancer Can. Turnaround shot. It bounces in for against Manalang. Wants the ball to LJ Mayo. 9 on the shot clock. LJ Mayo posts up. Jumper is good for LJ Mayo. Passing to Mayo. 7 on the shot clock. LJ Mayo looking to take over again. Mayo, the layup is good.
Pretty here. LJ Mayo. Oh, he's down.
Let's watch the play here. Hard foul on Jericho Isidro. LJ Mayo taking 2 free throws. Mayo makes the second shot. Directing traffic. Tolentino with a screen. Pass inside. Read perfectly by Lancer Can. Forward pass. Bragais. Chance for a blaze. 3!
Will be the decider here.
So only a regular foul on that sequence. That will set things up for the Generals. Tolentino with the screen.
Galoy has to do something here for Taguig.
Natividad throws it
That's
up.
a foul. He has a tendency to miss. Oh, he's holding on to it too long.
Here's Galoy at the left corner. Open shot here. Draws closer is Azares. He nails the jumper.
Big time shot.
Munoz against Mayo. He attacks. Nice defense there by
Oh,
Tolentino.
makes it anyway.
Wow, what a shot by Jake Munoz in traffic. We are tied at 90. That was a tough move there.
Azares is wide open.
Short on the 3. Rebound secured by Isidro, but he's on the floor.
That's another jump ball.
This time it's Galoy and Isidro. Loose ball. And taken by Munoz. And now Munoz with the basketball. He has been having a good game here.
He is, for me, kept Pampanga in this one.
Can, the drive inside. Can, the layup is
What
good.
a layup by Can. Hangs in the air.
Tikas now in front, and we are now in the last 2 minutes of Game 5. The road team ahead. After trailing by as many as 15 or 18 points.
Oh, they go to the MVP.
Mayo
Oh, what a spin.
Mayo draws a foul. And he's holding on to his head.
What a move by Mayo. But look at this. Lancer Can hangs in the air. Hang time.
To atone. Second shot. Around and out.
Oh, that's a bad foul by Galoy. That will put Munoz at the free throw line for Tikas Kapampangan.
Munoz, crucial. First free throw. Shot there for Jake Munoz. He has played with a lot of Pampanga teams, and he connects 2 for 2. First move, Lancer Can with the drive. The pull-up shot, and then the friendly bounce for Lancer Can. And look at his face, look at the emotion. Again, still a lot of time for the defending champions. Natividad at the right side against Lancer Can. They go to Azares. He fakes a 3. Azares with a drive. The layup is short.
That's a sorry miss by Azares.
Rebound by Tikas. And there's a foul.
Might be broken here. And Azares, that is a sorry miss by Azares. He can't get wide open. More things.
Yes, let's see if he can drain this free 3. Tolentino for the free 3.
Oh!
And
Need to bring the ball in.
Ganya Having trouble inbounding the ball. 5-second
Oh my
violation.
goodness.
Tino Da Natividad and Edsel Galoy.
I put this in the hands of Mayo.
Natividad with the ball.
Again, they're taking their time.
Azares at the left side, guarded by
This
Khan.
is not what you want to do. This is too long already.
5 on a shot clock. Natividad for 3.
Oh!
It's just a 2-point lead for Tigas. Da Natividad with a clutch 3-point shot.
What a shot! This just when they needed
Look
him
at
the
that.
most.
Clutch shot for Da Natividad. And Taguig is still alive. You can hear the fans as we watch this. Stripped by Da Natividad. But again, he loses the ball and it's Tigas basketball.
And now the 2 seconds, so
Yes.
they might need to foul.
Here's Bragais. They will inbound at the backcourt.
Oh, that's a turnover!
That was a bad pass by Bragais.
Are they calling it a foul? I think they called it
They
a
will
foul.
call a foul. Pushing foul.
They call it a foul.
And
I thought it was a
Coach Bing
turnover.
Victoria did not like it. 25 seconds left.
They have a challenge though.
Yes, they can challenge it. Here for Jericho Isidro. What a turn of events. And now Isidro will shoot 2 free throws. Isidro, no!
Wow, that keeps Taguig in this one.
Very much alive here in game 5. Again, no more timeouts for Taguig.
Both teams have no
Both
timeouts.
teams.
This is very similar to what happened in game number 3. Tigas just needs to close this out.
Jericho Isidro, crucial free throw for Tigas.
Have to remember, game 4, Victoria had that offensive board.
That rattles out. Rebound by Tolentino and a chance for Taguig to tie this ball game. Mayo nearly losing it. Azares inside, wild pass. Natividad pulls up. No! A bad pass by Da Natividad.
Nobody wanted to shoot the ball for Taguig. Azares had a shot, Mayo had a shot, Galoy could have shot it. Nobody wanted to shoot.
14 seconds left.
Taguig has had their chances in this one.
Bragais will inbound at the backcourt. Bragais nearly losing the ball. Bragais with the ball now. Forward pass. Isidro. 9 seconds left. Isidro lays it in. Tigas now up by 4 with 7 seconds left. No more timeouts. Da Natividad with the ball right side. Nearly taken away by Lancer Khan with 2 seconds remaining.
Taguig just shot themselves in the foot in this game.
Wow.
That's 2 turnovers by Dan
Yes.
Natividad on the steal and on that pass.
2.5 seconds left. Azares will inbound. Tigas does not need to foul here.
There's barely any chance here now for Taguig without any timeout.
Galoy for 3, and that will do it.
Wow!
We have a new champions in the NBL.
Tigas Kapampangan does the improbable. Wins on the road after being down by 15 points. Takes down the 4-time defending champion.
And the dynasty has ended here in Taguig. Following this gutsy victory by Tigas Kapampangan, the new champions of our homegrown league.
And if you're Taguig, execution down the stretch. Nobody wanted to shoot the ball in multiple possessions. Remember the play before the turnover by Natividad? They had a chance but nobody wanted to shoot it. Then Natividad just throws it away. He should have shot that ball.
Yes.
He's the clutch guy there. He had a good